Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the goal. Which special characters do you need to find and why? Import re immediately, open a sample string, and check characters with ORD to see code points. Once done, write a simple pattern or a char class like R. Add hash $% and asterisk for ASCII symbols. Make sure to test on edge cases such as whitespace, combining marks, and escape sequences, because that determines whether you need raw strings or Unicode flag handling. Now you build the pattern. If you need multiple positions, prefer re. Find iter so you get match objects with span and group info. For Unicode ranges, use \UNNN or explicit ranges like \U0400, \U04FF for Cyrillic. For single code points, use CHR or escape sequences. Once done, test with strings containing normalization variants, use Unicode data. Normalize when combining marks break matches. Make sure to combine flags like re, Unicode, or re, ASCII according to your target character set. Finish by producing the final function. Normalize input, compile the rejects, and return positions or cleaned results. You want to choose re. Find all for a quick list or re. Find iter for spans, compile improves performance. Once done, add unit tests using examples with emojis, accented letters, and control characters. If matches fail, make sure your string normalization is correct and that you escaped meta characters. A quick fix is re. Escape on dynamic patterns and checking ORD values to debug unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.